What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you are new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-113212-0, unable to connect to the server. It's simply a network error. Your server is not connecting to the network or something else, And I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Let's go to the screen and then must go to the settings. Here we are, settings, and then user and account. You must check your PSN account is logged in or not, but you first check the server. The server is working good or not. Server is working good. If the server is not working, get the right option. You just set up a new connection, fix your primary DNS and a secondary DNS, advanced settings, frequency. Here is the primary DNS, secondary DNS manually, and choose setting 1500 is okay. Look at this manual. Primary DNS, secondary DNS, all is okay. And you do the same settings in the LAN WAN also, in the Wi-Fi also. Look at that. There's a wired LAN 1. You can do the same settings here. Set the frequency and advanced setting is same on the Wi-Fi. And then get back and check the user and accounts also. So simply that's how you can fix this kind of error. And you must check your console is signing and your PSN account is signing. That's how you can fix this error. If it's not working, then you just contact with the local internet provider. They will fix maybe. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.